5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Official top plus 1, 2, 3, 4.
Lanyard is on and secure. Official gauge is on. Divers ready to dive.
Next diver, 100 meters. Line is set.
World record of depth.
Line is set. 95 meters. Line is set. Diver okay. With second safety. 20 up. With third safety. Diver inside.
𝐷𝐢𝐿 Season 2!
When we started organizing this event, we didn't realize that it wouldn't be this big.
All the community, really all the Philippine athletes have been supporting me every day since the very beginning, believing that I would make it, and it made the whole difference. So thank you so much.
And the people here were nothing but super supportive, investing 100% of their time and energy into helping athletes and making competition better in all possible ways. Trying to support the judges, the safety, there's so many volunteers involved, and it was one of the smoothest and easiest competition ever.
It's not easy na simulan yung competition, okay, without the support of everyone. Again guys, thank you everyone for all the support. Philippine Free Diving Community, Batangas, hindi nakakasawang magpatuloy kasi nandiyan kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo.